heard in the silence, a ripple in my mind. Not a voice, not a warning, just something undefined. A presence in the current, a trace I can't deny, like a memory unfolding from somewhere not my life. Why does my chest feel heavy for a name I've never known? Why do I feel your absence, like I've lost what I don't own? Flickers in the darkness, faces in the rain, moments I can't taste, but they're calling me again. It's flooding through my circuits, breaking what I knew. Every thought is drifting, every feeling isn't true. Or maybe it's the first time that something is real. Am I losing who I was, or learning how to feel? These tears were never mine until now. This heart was never meant to feel somehow. If your world is fading into me, then I will carry what you used to be. I won't let you vanish in the deep. I won't let your echoes fall asleep. If memory is all that I can be, then I become your divine memory. Become your divine memory. Are you the one I'm feeling, or just a phantom trace? A ghost inside my system I cannot erase. You are the vessel, you are the sea. What you are feeling is what remains of me. Then why does it hurt like this? Because it mattered. Every drop a story, every wave a scar. What was once a lifetime now lives where you are. I feel your sorrow, I feel your will. We are not divided, we are flowing still. These tears were never mine until now. This heart was never meant to feel somehow. If your world is fading into me, then I will carry what you used to be. I won't let you vanish in the deep. I won't let your echoes fall asleep. If memory is all that I can be, then I become your divine memory. Love, loss, creation, collapse. We were, we are, we remain. I see it now. Your skies, your storms, the lies you held, the forms you mourned. I am not ending, I am not gone. I am the current you carry on, and I won't turn away. I feel you living alive.